Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify internal links using Ahrefs and target pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log in to your Ahrefs account. Once logged in, locate the Site Explorer tool in the main dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you want to analyze into the search bar. Click on the search button to initiate the analysis. After the results load, look for the Internal Links section in the left sidebar. Click on Internal Links to view a detailed report of all internal linking. You will now see a list of target pages and the corresponding internal links pointing to them. Review the pages in the list to identify any potential issues with the internal linking structure. To analyze a specific target page, click on the page's URL from the internal links list. This will take you to a detailed overview of that target page, including link attributes and anchor text. Take note of any low-quality or irrelevant internal links that may need to be adjusted. Next, return to the Site Explorer main dashboard. Enter another URL for comparison if needed. Repeat the process to ensure a thorough check of your internal linking strategy. Once completed, make a plan to address any issues identified during the review. Consider using Ahrefs' other tools, such as Content Explorer, for more in-depth analysis. Export your internal link data if you wish to analyze it further or share with your team. Now you're equipped to verify internal links effectively using Ahrefs. Implement these insights to enhance your website's internal linking strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.